let's get this started with that delicious root beer float that you've heard me talking about. So go ahead and roll that intro. So you can grab a shaker with some ice, or you can just mix this right into your glass of your choice. Today, I will just use my glass. Then what we're going to do is we're going to grab some Crown Royal vanilla. We're going to do about 1.5 ounces of Crown vanilla. Then what we're going to do is add 1 ounce of your favorite Irish cream. I know most people use Bailey's, but 1 ounce of Bailey's Irish cream. Then you can go ahead and stir that up a little bit, mix it up. All right, now we're going to add your favorite root beer. Mine just happens to be A&W. There we go. And we'll just go ahead and give that another quick stir. Now you can garnish this with the cherry if you'd like. I prefer not to today. Let's give this a taste. That's good. I give this a 10 out of 10 nearly every time. This is your Crown Royal root beer float. Enjoy. Well, thanks for tuning in, and please hit that subscribe button